plants are very cream, but it shall do. This is for later.
Okay. Ooh, the bee's back.
That's good. Marib. All right. Let's see if I have the spell I want.
Okay.
Diosel Widdershins. I don't think I have. I don't know if I have the spell that I used a long time ago. A long time ago. I love spell. Sure. Anyway, you're supposed to do it at night.
Eh,
But we're going to do it during the day because it might rain at night. And it's almost a new moon. We're supposed to do it a week before the full moon, but we're getting rid of energy as well as bringing energy in, so we're going to do it before the moon turns dark.
okay.
Right. It says reeve the area. I've forgotten what reeve means. I've pretty much reeved it. I'm assuming reeve means bless. Right? Alright. So it says lay the cord around the perimeter of your temple, overlapping turns. I don't have a cord. So I'm just going to use salt. Sorry, Lord. I'm so sorry. My poor little lawn plants. You know salt hurts plants, right?
Woo!
No! Water. The water element. We have been blessed, super blessed by water. I'm going to do it around you, okay?
Okay.
I should be wearing high heels. I keep stepping on my robe. These shoes are not high enough. Should I go get my high heels on?
Well, if you wear high heels, I think you'd still step on your robes, but you wouldn't be able to tell. I know, but you might fall over because you're stepping on it.
Yeah, so I should get my high heels
But
on.
you wouldn't realize. So you'd probably fall over.
No, I'm falling over now.
Ah, okay.
Should I go get them on? I'm in the circle now. Should I be trapped in here? With you?
Yes.
Should I stay in here with you?
Yes.
Shouldn't say trapped. Just say protected. I'm protected in the circle with you. Alright. So the perimeter has been overlapped. It says light the candle on the altar. We have a fire.
Ooh, there's another bee.
walking this way. Right. And then it says, seat yourself before the temple altar and prepare yourself as a vessel. I'm already a vessel. I'm already vesseled. This is to cast the circle. Okay. Do you want me to explain what everything is?
Yes.
Alright, so here we've got water. This is a depiction of me. It's an angel with a kind of watery coloured dress, a water angel. And we have cucumber tea, which like gives your body water. It's anti-inflammatory. It like waters the body. And then we have the colour blue. Okay. Then fire. We have this heart, which represents the fire in the heart. And my love for Dave. And then we have marigolds, obviously orange, representing fire. Then we have chamomile flowers, representing fire. Then we have air, the birds. And here, this is interesting, parsley, which is representing Mercury and Venus, but it also represents lust and death. So we're going to be sacrificing this.
Okay.
And this one is ground cell. And this one is Venus. And it's also a witch magnifier, a magic magnifier. So we're going to be offering that. Then we've got Earth. We have Benel, which is protection. Protective. Earth magic, witchy magic. And then we have Basil, which is the Great Mother, but also Earth Mother. Protective. Good for breaking spells. And then we have Salt. And because this is the corner for me of the Great Mother, we have some earth metals, but in two of them are in a spiral, which is the sign of the Great Mother for me. Then, yes, over here we have our curse transformed. The curse that plays a role in the story. Do you see it?
No.
See the orange? That's been turned
Oh, I
white.
see the orange
That's
now.
been turned white. So I want to burn that in the middle of the ritual. Hello. Here's the bee. Bees were priestesses hundreds of years ago. for Aphrodite. So this is perfect to have a bee come visit. Then we have these really special God's breath fumitory wands, which are cleansing. So I want to put them in there as well. In here, there is incense, which I made, and it's a love one. I've forgotten what it's called. It's like for my love or something. And I put some money in there for good fortune. So I'm going to put that in the earth area.
Okay.
Is that smoke bothering you?
Now.
Do you want to move over here?
Okay.
Just gently go. That's better. Here is the photo. Here. May as well be a photo. Here is the picture of the jellies, which looks like two people in an awkward position.
Rainbow jelly.
I'm going to put that as a sacrifice to her because I believe this is Dave's energy and healer spirits who helped put my back and my neck into place. So this is special. This is like something I would never give up. So I'm going to do it today as an offering, as a sacrifice. All right. Put that angel on there because they're angelic, Syrian. And then I have some things here. Like and I'm going to have to wash my robe after this. This is the wheel of manifestation, right?
Okay.
Cosmic wheel. I'm going to put that on a special plate. And then I'm going to put the physical manifestation square on the other one. Okay? So I'm manifesting the turning of the wheel. I'm going to get these banishment ones off there because I don't want to banish them. I'm manifesting turning of the wheel. Oh, how ironic. How ironic. The wheel just fell out. So I'll put that under here. Alright, this is the wheel of the year. Now this whole story has taken what? The whole entire story has taken 45 years.
Sure, look like a Merlin.
But we met Dave how long ago? 8 months ago.
Yes.
These are quite powerful cards, so I'm gonna add the water here, right? Because we dropped our water, and then of course the star. The star, and these cards have played. The star is like fireworks for the show. Like it's like a thumbs up. All right. We have a bit more water, which is so appropriate because sometimes I wake up in the astral and water ever, right? We have a double star. Oh, we have a star for me and a star for Dave. There we go. Right. And then we have another square. We'll put the square on earth with the money. We'll put it under the money. Oh. Over the money. There you go. And then we have the cross, which I'm going to put with Yod Behave, with Jehovah, with the Lord, whatever you want to call him, with Heavenly Father. Birds agree.
Oh, what convenient timing. What convenient time for the birds to chirp. It's like fate.
When you ascended, take the container of water in one hand and describe the seal of the. This is not the original spell that I used 20 years ago to bring in my sister. This is a different spell. I've never done this before. So you infuse the water with it. I don't have a glass. Can I go get a glass? Or I could just do the teapot. Then we have to mix the salt with the water. Alright, so I'm going to invoke the pentagram with blue light. And I'm going to mix the salt with the water. Which is good. Lucky I like the salt in my water. Oh, we're supposed to bottle it. We're not supposed to use it. Alright, walk the boundary of the circle from south to south. Counterclockwise. Let's go the other way, which is Wider shoes. Counterclockwise. Being conscious of the circle. Walk slowly. I've just made the circle. I should include you in the circle. Hold on.
Huh.
Okay. And around here, because I have to expand the whole circle. Alright. Walk slowly. Okay. Alright, we'll summon the guardians. So we're going to summon the gnomes and the sylphs. Alright, so we okay, so we're going to invoke. Sure. Oh, here we go. Come ye of the southern winds, place of storms and deepest night, place of silence most profound, guard the circle set outside of time, Acknowledge the purpose of this rite. Open for me the gate of earth. And then we invoke. And then I'm going to walk Diosel to air. This is Diosel, not Widdership, this is Diosel. This is different to how I would do it with the other source. Alright. Maybe we're walking this way because we're invoking instead of banishing, which was the other way. Come ye of the east winds, place of first sun and rise of moon, place of inspiration. Guard this circle set outside of time. Acknowledge the purpose of this rite. Open for me the gate of air. Come ye of northern wind, place of the highest sun, place of creation. Guard the circle set outside of time. Acknowledge the purpose of this rite. Open for me the gate of fire. The pentagram changes every time you invoke at a different direction. Start at a different point of the pentacle. Okay. Come here. You're hungry, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let me do this. Let me open the circle and then I can feed you.
Okay.
Alright. Come ye of the west winds, place of the setting sun, home of the island remembered, place of wisdom. Guard the circle set outside of time. Acknowledge the purpose of this rite. Open for me the gate of water. I'm going to have to do the pentagram of water.
By the way, something landed on my head.
Where is it?
I'm okay with landing. It landed on my head.
Nothing's there.
Oh.
It could just be a fly. A fly landed quite heavily on the book. Alright.
Oh, I felt something on my head.
Take the consecrated water and sprinkle it Diosel around the perimeter. Okay, so we take the water and we sprinkle it Diosel around the perimeter. They love cucumber. Alright, they're loving the cucumber. Did you see that? 2 bees came to the teapot. Alright. I'm going to have some of the water. Alright, it says to take up my dagger. I don't have a dagger. I have a wand. What kind of wand is this? Can you guess? It's a parsley wand. So we're going to, apparently we have to pour the water all over the wand. Okay. We consecrated the wand. I have to kiss it. And then I have to awaken my wand. I think I have to go to this point. By the dance and in the darkness, by the door and by the drum, by enchantment, the eye of midnight, the inner shield, I bid thee come. You sense the field. The element of earth, infuse my wand. Now I have to hold it in this place. I need protection from the fire. I need to get the food out. Let me find if I can make some. See if I can, without getting a splinter. These leaves are quite prickly. There we go. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. You have to hold it in the smoke. By the bridge that spans the river, by the brook, the shadowed tome. I think it says tome. Tome. By the breath, the sword of wisdom, by Tuatha and Bow, I bid thee come. That's the element of air.